Hello, in this video we are going to see about Arduino ADC, that is analog to digital converter. In this I have taken Arduino Uno. Here analog pin, I am connecting the analog pin. I am taking 10K potentiometer. So here the middle portion of the potentiometer is connected to A0. The circuit is very simple. The two potential endpoint, first pin and third pin are connected to 5V and ground. Second pin is connected to the AO, that is analog 0 pin. Now I am connecting the Arduino to the system. Now I connected the Arduino to my system. Now I am opening the Arduino. Here the coding is very simple, a very small program. In this void setup, we are initiating the serial monitor, that is serial.begin, and 9600, that is baud rate of the system. And another one is initiating the serial monitor printer, and another is defining the value, that is the value of the A0 is stored in the sense value, the value is defined, and the A0 value is stored in the sensor, that is potentiometer. Here and next line you are defining the calculation, that means 5 divided by 1023 means the 5 means the reference voltage, and 1023 is here the 10 bit we are range is to analog range is 0 to 1023. So the V reference divided by analog volt range, that is 5V divided by 1023. It is the formula. So the voltage is the value stored in the serial print, and we are writing the serial dot print coding, and I am compiling the program. The program is compiled. And uploading the program. There is no error. Now I am running the program. In serial monitor, the value shows the value, that is voltage value, that is I am varying the voltage is varying to 0 to 4, 5 and reducing. Thanks for watching the video. It is a very small program. If you like this video, share the video and subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Thank you.